What's up, Dappered? I'm about to go to the list right now, so I haven't really looked at anything, but I'm about to look at them. I'm just going through old stocks. I always do this before, so I'll go through the ones that were gapping a couple days ago or still held most of their pullbacks. So like Casa is one that I'm not deleting. I'm gonna keep it on watch, and I'm actually gonna set alerts, so I'll be watching that one. This one's bad. This one's good. Mark new high. Put alert. And then IO. I saw it after like a couple days ago. Let me look at it. It's the next one on my list right here. Ugh. I pulled back too much. This is too much of a pullback. I wish it was higher. But it's been not bad, so I'm going to leave it there. Just put an alert. Alright, so for the ones for today, I'm looking at ALVR. I'll put them all down and then I'll look at them. CRXT. I think that's just one I looked at. Yeah. IMAB. WWR. And AGRI, which I think I also just saw. Alright, so the first one on my list is ALVR. Let's take a look. I like this chart here. I don't like the 180 chart. We used to be at $26 and just constantly downhill since then. But I like this if we can get over this levels here. So I'm putting this one on my main side chart. Set alerts. And then CRXT is the next one. I'd already looked at this one. I have an alert set right above VWAP on that one. Oh, this is an expensive one here. Yep. All my red lines are my resistance, usually where I want it to break out at. I always mark the high just so I know, and then usually after that I'll mark like where I think it'll be a resistance point. If I don't see an obvious one, maybe it's this area here for now on this one. If I don't really see an obvious one, I'll just put an alert right below it. And then that way if it starts getting into that area, I'll know that I have to take a look at it. WWR looks like trash. Yeah, I don't know that I even want to play that at all. And then AGRI. AGRI doesn't look bad, but I don't have an obvious. Oh, I guess 3-3 up here. I want to take that one away. I think getting over 306 is going to be hard on this one, so you got a lot of support there on the 180. I'll show you guys. So here, that's this line right here. There's a lot of support, and finally broke down below it. So I would be worried to get on top of that, which is this one right here. So maybe we get a breakthrough highs of pre-market and get there, but not. This is AGRI. That one was AGRI. It's one of the gappers. Which ones were you looking at? IO. Let me look at IO. IO's kind of cheap. Not that it's bad. Let's look at Wint. Yeah. What's up, Ape? What are you looking at today? Same stocks I'm looking at? I got ALVR, CRXT, IMAB, WWR maybe, but not really. This one's not bad. This one's got good volume, even if it's under $1. Yeah, yeah. That's the one I just looked at right now. It said it's under $1, but these are not. This one's not a bad looking setup at all. So I am gonna trade that one if I get a good trade. So on IO, you could see that I'm looking at that level there, support, resistance, resistance. So if we get above that, hold it or a dip and then rip to all highs. That's what I'll be looking for. Ugh, my back is killing me today, guys. There goes ALVR a little bit. And then I'm still watching Casa on the side. I got Casa on the side. So yesterday's close had a high of 738. Oh no, 2 days ago's close. But yesterday it held $6 all day. So maybe we get another move back up on that one. Where would you enter on IO? That's the one I'm looking at. The break of 70, whatever this is, 78 cents probably. 78 cents, and then hold that level of 78 cents to move to 86 cents. What's up, Mercer? Good morning. How are you? What are you looking at, Mercer? Same stocks we're looking at? ALVR seems to start picking up some momentum right now. Let me look. This is the break I was looking at that I already marked. I already broke it. Yep, that's what we're looking at. We all got eyes on the same thing. How did y'all do yesterday? Whoever traded yesterday. I saw SSTS. Is that what it was? No. STSS. From yesterday. I'll give it all back. That was a nice move yesterday. That was a nice move. Whoever caught that, if anybody did. Look how clean it is. Oh, there goes ALVR still. But we still have 5 minutes to open, so I need this to pull back. I traded QQQ options. Nice 1600. Nice. QQQ. I don't even think I have that one on my list real quick. I have TQQQ and all of these other ones, but what are y'all thinking with TQQQ? I'm thinking a pullback. I know it's not what I trade, but I'm just looking at the chart. Oh, did y'all see Netflix too? Go look at Netflix. From $360 to $248. It just dropped over $100 a share today. Isn't that crazy? Dude, I am sorry if anybody was holding Netflix, but Tesla will be after 5. Dude, I wish I would have known Netflix earnings were yesterday. I wish I would have known that, cause you were holding calls on Netflix. Oh no. Damn. I was saying I wish I would have known because they keep raising prices and people aren't liking them anymore and oh bro, you scared me. I was about to say, dude, those are literally at zero. Probably not, but you know what I mean. But dude, I would have bought Pud's YOLO play right there if I knew. What are some good upcoming earnings that are coming up? Let's see. Most of them are sometimes around this, usually around the same time, right? I gotta take a look at the list. I haven't done any earnings. Oh, Tesla use, yeah. What are we thinking of Tesla earnings? I feel like Tesla's not gonna go up or down a lot. You do have a pretty obvious downtrend resistance on Tesla right there. I just drew this line real quick. So I feel like we can touch that line again at least. It'll come up a little short, but not by much. Alright, so we got a little over a minute. Let's go look at them all again. Casa hasn't really done much. It's still there sideways. They had production issues in Shanghai. I feel like a lot of electric cars are having issues. I saw NIO's having issues too. ALVR is trying to, but now it seems like it's kind of pulling back pretty aggressively there for a second. Or seemed pretty shorted. IMAB has a higher price stock, so a lot of people like these just because you can get a lot of money out of a little bit smaller precisions. So I'd keep an eye on that one, even though the chart doesn't look good right now. But AGRI, I want AGRI over VWAB. Not today, Stormy. IO still looks good. So it looks like my two opening stocks are IO and ALVR. So here we go. Good luck, everybody. I don't know if this move is gonna hold right here. This candle needs to close above 7-1 or even 707, but it's struggling already, so forget that. CRXT is running straight out of the gate. And it just pulled back. Great. So still ALVR and CRXT, but let's keep looking. Let's keep looking. Remember now, my momentum scanner should be live for you guys above my camera. Eyes are on CRXT. Can we get a squeeze all the way to 220, 230? And ALVR is coming back up too. I'm gonna go back and look at ALVRs. This candle needs to get over these 707, 71, and then close above it and get a retest of that one. See how those candles cannot stay below it? I mean above it. So even though we're getting 3 green candles-ish, sellers are still controlling ALVR. That's what it looks like to me. Oh, we got a move on IO. IO's trying to make a move as well. It just broke that resistance I had of pre-market, so watch for it to hold and maybe a retest of that. That was too much of a pullback there. So I'm still haven't taken any trades, guys. Everything, as soon as it comes up a little bit, it just comes right back down. CRXT just came down. ALVR is right under that same levels that I'm watching, the 707, 71. And I guess you got IO trying to hold my support here, so maybe we get a move higher after this candle closes if it stays there. ALVR cannot move over 7-1. Now do watch ALVR, because if we get a squeeze to here, all of these shorts will bail out, and that's when you're going to get a pretty big move all the way to 705, possibly. There goes IO. I'm still watching IO and ALVR. Both are looking good, but not giving me a trade yet. That's why I didn't take that ALVR. I'm not forcing any trades. I did lose on Monday, so I'm trying to be a little extra careful. I don't want to lose my streak of every week, but I also don't want to sit on my hands and not take a single trade. I took a loss on Monday. Yeah, I lost Monday on, I think Casa is the one I kept trading on Monday, and dude, I'm thinking about it. I might look at it in a second, or maybe later, cause they trade all day, so I might after I come home. I wanted to yesterday, but I didn't really have time. But I might start taking a look at it and then just see how it moves. You trade ES every day, Dappered? Dappered, did you find me through a Tradecaster, Dappered, or are you on my Discord? You follow Deckmar. Oh, there goes a move on ALVR. Wow. That is pretty incredible how you cannot squeeze. Look, right back down to the 7-1 level that I've been calling out all morning. Look at this. I'm not taking a breakout trade on this one. Even though the setup is there and it looks good, all these shorts right here, and then the way this candle kept pulling back, I'm not going to take a breakout trade. I'll take a micro pullback if we get a good clean move and micro pullback to highs. But see, it breaks and it just stays there. This is a healthier move, it looks like. What? What the heck? What the heck? That's what I was saying. When you get that many shorts and you squeeze them, it's going to rip. But I did not see that happening. I thought it was going to be fake. I thought it was going to slam back down. Holy crap. Please tell me somebody made money on that. That's those moves that you buy and then it gaps down 20 cents. Yeah. Dapper, I was asking you because I know Ape Trades, the one that is chatting as well. Also, he likes to trade ES, the ES future. And he's always posting on my Discord and making some calls and stuff. So you can join it on my Discord and chat some ideas, opinions, trades y'all both can take. And then eventually I'm going to start dabbling in it a little bit too. But man, that sucked. That was a crazy little rip right there. Yeah, I didn't take a chance on it either. It happened so fast. This one scared me. This candle right here is the reason I didn't take that trade. It popped up and it closed below again. So what I would have wanted to do and to take a trade is this candle close higher, even above this level here, and then take that dip trade below it to push it back up and rip. So kind of what this did. But this is just crazy. So now we're halted. I probably will not take a trade out of this halt, but I'm gonna put a lurch just so I can see what it does. Because that was pretty crazy. And then besides that, there's nothing else. CRXT completely failed. IO completely failed. Scanner was picking up F. Ford Motors. Bro, I'm so twitchy today because my back is killing me. I was sitting down for like all day yesterday. Who's taking any trades? 10 a.m. We'll see some moves. Yeah, hopefully. What time are you? Is 10 a.m. in 20 minutes for you, or 10 a.m. in an hour and 20? Yeah. So 10 a.m. is in 20 minutes. What a boring day, dude. Not even Casa that was keeping on the side too. Look, it just tanked. And my momentum scanner hasn't even filled the whole view of it too. Like, it still has a little gap, which means not many stocks have shown up on the gapper. What's a good target on ALVR? Let's look. Maybe it does keep gapping. Oh, that's the one I didn't like, the 180 chart. Look at this. I mean, yeah, that's the time to squeeze up, but I like trades where you're here and you're squeezing up at like high of day, high of highest. Oh, Mersa, guess what? Guess what I bought? Guess what I bought? No, I wish. Bro, I was so close to buying it. I was taking a dive. Yeah, dude. I see it on my side. Y'all, I know you're new here, so I got 6 charts to my right. This way you can't see it, and then I got 2 to my left over here. Let's look at ES. So how do you do this? ES forward slash. What is it? ES forward slash. That's it. Oh, forward slash ES. Oh my god, this looks weird. I don't even have my little gray areas. Mersa, no, I actually did not buy the drone, but I bought a camera. Bro, cameras are expensive. I was like, yeah, I'll spend $700, $800 on a camera. And then I was like, okay, I'm not gonna get the worst one. I might get a little bit better. So it's like, I'll spend 1,000, 1,100. And then I was like, okay, no, this one looks like the obvious winner for everybody else. So I spent 1,800. It was a Sony ZV-1. I'm sure you probably heard of it. So don't tell me it's a trash. ES is taking a dump because of Netflix. Any idea on that one, Mersa? Sony ZV-1. ALVR is live. ALVR is dumping. Dang, honestly, I'd take a trade here. Yep. Look for a bounce off 44.60. Frick, I should have put it on here. Look for a bounce on... Man, I can't catch bounces. Oh. Well, this one is 62 for both of you guys. There's no way I'm just gonna not take a trade. I can't remember the last time I didn't take a single trade. That I sat here for an hour, 2 hours, and didn't take a single trade. I suck at catching bounces too. We are at 44.63. Is that where you're taking a trade, Dapper? You're at the VWAP, so I'd expect a bounce somehow, somewhere around here. Marsa, do you recognize that camera, Sony ZV-1? I think I paid overpriced for it because apparently they're like one of the best cameras, and they're literally out of stock everywhere. Like nobody has these cameras, and so I had to pay a little extra for it, and then I also paid for a bundle. So it's got like a bunch of extra batteries, and it's got like an extra microphone, an external microphone. You got a 4460, Phil? Good job. Hey Dapper, I don't know if my oh, I think that's the link that Ape Trade sent, right? Did you click on my Discord link? Oh yeah, you're in. Nice. Hey, thanks for joining my Discord. I don't charge for anything. I don't promote or sell anything. I just yeah, thanks Dapper. And I'm telling you, Ape Traits is always in there but commenting about futures and plays, and like nobody really trades those, and I don't either, so I can't say anything to him. Should we get a squeeze here? Nope. It's a great one. Should be really good in low light. Awesome. Yeah, so gonna do this, and then zoom range is perfect as well. Yeah, so I mean, I don't know anything about cameras, but I saw a lot of them that like even if it had 4K, it like crops it in, so then it's super close or something like that. Um, and I was like, well, that's kind of dumb. The only downside I think I saw on this one is if you're on 4K, you can't record for long because then the camera overheats. But you can, I think you can undo that setting somewhere. I'm picking up another stock on my momentum scanner. Let me just look at it, see if it'll be my trade for the day. No. Let's look at the ES future again with you guys. Man, this thing is just ripping down. Did y'all get in on those AGRI? Let me look at AGRI. It's kind of low volume. Do you have a program or computer that can handle 4K? I don't know. I'm sure I can get one though, right? I don't know how that works. I'm illiterate to cameras and stuff like that. So, is there a program you recommend or anything like that? Is my camera blurry right now, or can y'all see me clear? Because everything shows blurry on my side chart. It's clear? Okay. I wasn't sure because every time I look over here on my other screen, it looks blurry. Oh, look at this move. LLAP. I use Premiere Pro, but you're gonna need a good computer for the 4K, so check the footage before recording everything, just in case it can't, okay? And honestly, I'll see what it looks like without 4K, cause I'm sure my videos will be like um a lot longer than 5 minutes, and I don't want that thing to overheat already and mess up or something. LVR got slammed down and it's coming back. This reminds me of that Casa move 2 days ago, where it got slammed and then like less than 5 minutes later it came back, squeezed everybody out and hit a new high. So nope. Uh, this could be. I would have taken this breakout trade here, but it's low volume. CRXT. Here goes the LVR a little bit. I'll take a dip here, alpha of 7. If we get over this, over 7, 8. But this candle needs to close above that. Man, come on. This is gonna squeeze the way it did earlier, where it's just going to spawn up there again. I got 10 seconds on this candle. If it pulls up and gets a dip over 780. Well, I mean, at least I took one trade now, up $160. So it did exactly what I wanted to. It closed above that candle and took that dip off of 780. I sold right away because nothing is freaking squeezing. So I'm not going to wait for that move and be down already on that. So, but now if this candle can also close above 780, we can definitely get that big move all the way back up to $8, 8.13. But I want this candle to come up above that 780. Exactly right there. So there we go, there we go. Okay, so I added a little bit more. Exactly what I said again. Oh, you turd. I forgot to click record on my other stupid thing. Gosh dang it. This is what happens when you have to freaking take care of like 5 things before you start streaming and trading. Oh wow, this one squeezed to another high also. Let's look at the futures. Oh my gosh. I could see that now. The balance of 44.60, guys. Is that what y'all are looking at now? So dipped below and came back up, and now you're holding that. Yep, yep, yep. Nice. So up $300 on the day. It's not much, but for a choppy day again, and oh, look at LAAP now. Did not expect that move. Wow, LAAP just squeezed. It's still squeezing. Took a dip there. Okay, so another 200 on LAAP. Um, maybe took a little out too early because this might have another leg up, but another $200. So now I'm up about 500, $600 today. See, 238 on this one and 296. So yeah, a little over 500 bucks. Hey, what's up, Wild Boy? UVXI call options. Let's see. UVXY. Oh, wait. Did I type it wrong? UVXY. I guess I did. When did you grab them? Today? This morning? Yesterday? Let's see. Or are you going for this dip? Bro, are you gonna fall like a... I see why you're getting them. The whole bottom of $11 and uptrend support right there. Yep, it lines up perfectly. Oh my gosh, look at ALVR. What the? What? Again, dude? Come on, give another squeeze. There we go. Yes, sir. $638 on this one, and then 200 and something dollars on ALLP. So now I'm up about $800 on the day. And can we get another move on this one actually? ALLP. Dude, I swear I'm dyslexic sometimes. I can't even talk. LLAP. Actually, ALVR right there is a good dip, I would think. Yep. That would have been a quick scalp there. So it's the same support from that top wick of the other candle. Came right down to it. How is the futures doing? Let me look at it. This is rough, dude. What I would look for is that break of that downtrend, right? Is that what y'all would look for? Or I would also, I guess in this case, I would go the short on that. And this is the second time, so I would short this right here all the way down to there and a further move right. I would short here, that little dip. I'd be in short here. I'd still be in short. I don't think I'd be cutting it out yet. Hey, Dapper, I don't play trend lines. Oh, you just play levels. I just want to see if I would get this right. I would have gone in short there. I would probably stop out 44.60. But let's see. Levels for you too. Dang. This would have to be my move here. Dump. Dump to 44.52. There goes the LVR again. Deja la champaña, vela. I don't feel safe taking that trade. You were saying yesterday we had a massive dump last quarter and it came back too fast. That means a lot of people made a lot of money, and we all know we're in a recession. The market just isn't showing it yet. To me, if a stock has good earnings, they will pop up and tank because investors know that's the most they will get out of the stock this year. It's like a refresh and reboot. Anyone smart would take their money and run on an earnings pop. Yep. Stocks should be down right now. And I think most of them are. At least the ones I have long term are killing me. But then I also don't have U.S. stocks. I have like foreign stocks and Chinese stocks, and I mean I have ETFs too, safe stocks. What with that being said, what earning plays are you looking at? Tesla today, obviously, but what else? Look at the 5-minute chart for Tesla. It's been nothing but red candles all day. We are 35 minutes in. Look at this. This is Tesla's 5-minute chart. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. It is so frustrating. Everything just tanks. Here goes LLAP again. Oh, I missed a break. I was looking at my phone. I don't want to give profits back though. Well, now I do regret not taking that trade because it just flew straight up again. I missed the big moves today, even though I made money and I think I didn't lose a single trade. I think all the trades I took were green. But I missed that move and I missed that move. ALVR is holding $8.10 now. So maybe now all sellers will bail out. Can I get one more trade in? Dang, you're down 6K and brought it down to negative 2K. Dang. Good job on that. I mean, I'm sure 2K still sucks, but... Bro, y'all know what the best snack is? The hell is that? Chocolate covered raisins. Bro, are you serious? Chocolate covered raisins are delicious. Never mind. LVR is gonna dump. Look at LLAP. Did anybody take a single trade on LLAP? Mercer, did you take anything on the LLAP? I know Ape Chase, you were looking at the future. Which kind of sucks because it's still in that same area and it's just consolidating. But look at LLAP. got halted way up there at right $7.63, dude. Look how clean these breaks were. After it breaks that resistance, it shot up. After it breaks that resistance, it shot up. Are y'all still Dapper and Ape Trades? Are y'all still adding dips long on ES, or are y'all thinking now it's time to dump even more? You're waiting. You're waiting. Yeah. Now CRXT wants a piece of the cake. Look at this. You're a little late, buddy. Nobody wants to trade you. I am kind of salty. I missed a lot of trades on LLAP. This is a good move. $238 is not enough for a stock that just moved up almost $3 a share. Alright, Ape Trace and Dapper, I keep wanting to ask you these questions. So, if I go right now on ES, so you see I'm on the S&P 500 mini. It says 1. If I click buy, what is it buying and how much is it taking? Because I'm not buying one share at 4,464, right? It's like a almost 13K for one. Where'd you get 13K from though? Dang. And so there's no way to really manage your risk then, right? LLIP is live and it's hit $8. I was looking at the future. Sorry, Wild Boy. I'm asking them a couple questions. Damien, it's how to start out. Um, I am on the process of. I just bought a camera and I'm gonna make a course. I get people every single day on how to start out, and all I say is YouTube has it all. So I can tell you that right now, YouTube has it all. But there's not one specific trader that will show you everything out there, and so you have to dig through the videos and see who's good and who's not. But for now, I can answer any questions you have. If you want to jump on a call, we can do that, and I can help you get started. But other than that, I think I'm. Oh, look at ALVR. I think I'm gonna start making a course and then price it pretty cheap so people can afford it, and honestly give the best, more detailed as possible. Are you a complete beginner, Damien? Oh, Wild Boy. So I was looking at the ES Mini. It's a futures that I don't really trade in, but Ape Trades and Dapper are looking at it, so I just kind of went over and took a peek at it real quick. Yeah, I'm gonna start making the course, but I'm gonna take my time with it. I actually want to make a decent one. I told everybody else that for one, people are asking me how to start, and I can't help them. And two, it's gonna be a good thing for me, cause it'll show that I really learned all this stuff and can actually explain it to somebody who's a complete beginner. So I'm kind of excited about it now. I just bought my camera. It was like $2,000. So I was debating whether I should click buy on that camera or not, and I was like, if I click this button, I have to do this thing now, because I'm not spending 2 grand for a camera that I'm not really gonna use. So yeah, stay tuned, Damien. It's gonna be a couple months probably. I'll try to get it out as fast as possible, but I'm not gonna put some BS together and throw it out there and just get people's money. But in the meantime, if you want to jump on a call or something like that, I can help you get started. Wild Boy, how are you doing today? What trades have you taken on regular stocks? I know we don't trade those features. So, did you take any trades on LLAP, on ALVR? Dang, I thought that was a good entry. What's your stop? 11 flat? Oh no, that's way down there. 11.16 for the break of down completely. Lower low. Or actually, if you want to keep a tighter loss, 11.50 is another good support right there. 11.50, but that's kind of low. I don't know if your call options would be down a good amount already there. I'm holding till after Tesla earnings. Bro, it sucks when you freaking want to play any stock and all you have to look at is Tesla. Tesla has become the new futures SPY DIA stock. So CRXT is trying to make a move. It's pretty low still, and I'm not gonna trust anything until we get over $2.10. If you're looking at LLAP, I don't take any of these trades most of the times, but you have a strong uptrend right there where you're literally touching the support. So you can take a small entry there if you want for a bounce up. You're also at the support of this previous one, so you got double support in this area, so you could expect a bounce up. I'm not good at those. I always call them. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't, but I usually don't take those trades. The options moved 475 when it went down 50 cents. That sucks. I like options because I know you can make a lot, but I don't know. I feel like trading options, like actually day trading with options, is I feel like they change so much faster. There's no way you're gonna get good fills. And if you sell with market, I'm scared you're gonna get terrible fills. And if you sell with limit orders, you might not be able to get out in time, and the move already happened or something. You bought Apple calls. CRXT is moving, guys, so now it's gonna grab my attention. We got that market open resistance of the $2.10, but we still have a pre-market high of 228. So let's keep watching here. I wanted to get that bounce there, but I got in a little early. So I'm in on CRXT, small, well actually not small position, 5,000 shares. I'm seeing a lot of red on the tape though, so I'm gonna wait. Okay, there's a bunch of green, and then got, oh, this is not good. I'm gonna stop out. Lost 130. Every time it popped up, there was a lot of sellers, so I got out right at the perfect time. Damien, no, this is what you're looking at on my stream is a website where I just stream at. Um, did you get here through my Discord? Or did you get here through the actual website? If you got here through my Discord, just shoot me a DM and I'll help you out, and then I'll explain everything there. So you need a broker to trade. Tradecaster is just a streaming place. And if you're not in my Discord, I think if you keep scrolling up on that chat, Abe Trades posted the link for it. So just go ahead and click it, join it, and then you should be able to DM me. If not, you might have to send me a request, a friend request, but. Alright, yep. So yeah, you're in my Discord. So just send me a message, and if you can't send me one on Discord, go ahead and send it on Instagram, and I'll see it there. Well, here it goes CRXT again, even though I already lost on it. Are you serious? I just missed all of that completely. I would take a micro pullback of 2-1 if this candle closes. You kind of know it already. You got 10 seconds left on this candle. It looks pretty healthy so far. So watch for a micro pullback. I mean, if I'm gonna stop it out. All right, so I just turned that negative $150, $160 loss to another $50 profit. If you got in it with me, congratulations. I called that break of 201, get the micro pullback. We still have an all-time high, or not all-time high, a pre-market high of 200. Gosh dang, man, of 228. So which is our ultimate target. This didn't break as clean, so I got out. I took half, and then I had my flatten button on the side, my hotkeys. So I took half. Didn't see that it kept holding this to 220. So I got out flat, and I think that might be my last trade. I'm not getting off yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys like I do most of the times. So I go over to Trader View. I go on my actual Thinkorswim platform, go to monitor all account statements, export file, save it, and then go into my TraderView. This is the platform I use to import all my trades. If you remember, I didn't trade yesterday, and Monday I had a $900 loss. So I'm going to go ahead and upload and show you guys that there it is. I am up $925 today. That's all the profit I made. So, look at this. Today I traded 55,000 shares. Look how much I traded on Monday. 240,000. That's a lot of shares. So Monday down 988. Today recovered at 925. So barely red on the week, but I got tomorrow and Friday to really step it up and get back on a good green week. So let's see. You came here through my TikToks. Awesome, man. Appreciate it. Make sure you like, comment on them, and then, like I said, I'll help you get started. Does anyone here trade futures? Fingers crossed. Yeah. Just go ahead and keep scrolling through that whole chat. And Ape Trades and Dapper, we're talking about CRXT still pushing. Yep. Watch that 228 break. So 230 move. Frick. A lot of sellers. I'm gonna stop it out. So I just lost a little bit more, but that's not bad. I'm gonna stop that. So I'm gonna redo all this what I just did. Let me go back. Now I have to select the exact same one. 420. It's 420 today. Yes, replace it. Go back to TraderView, import, select the same file. I blame you, Wild Boy, for that one. So you owe me $100, bro. I expect lunch today and tomorrow and the rest of the week. Kidding. So, ooh, I lost $100 on there. Oh yeah, 950 to positive 50 to negative 60. So $812. Um, it's all right. I'm still fine. So I'm gonna call it there and not trade anymore. Cool, Damien. I'll check it out and then help you start it. Shorts are trying, but so they're short-lived shorts. Yeah. So this one did feel a little bit heavy. I would take trades here for dip still. I mean, I think this is going to rip after this whole move. Wow, never mind. That's too much of a pullback. If this candle closes high and goes back up to 210, then yeah. If this candle stays this low or goes lower, then it's done. I'm gonna start doing that, dude. Every time somebody calls a stock and I take a loss, I'm gonna have all of you guys pay me. So there's no way I lose money. Shorts one. Yeah, that's too much of a pullback. And if I was looking at this as a short, this would be my ad right there. That micro pullback here. You got a retest of that 210 here. You got a big move, micro pullback, and then rip down. So always flip it if you were short. See, did you see that big rejection there? That's where they're stacked. So this is gonna flush. I like that. Oh, now we got 17 viewers. Ooh, 18, 19 viewers. So now I'm definitely gonna make some money if y'all all owe me $8. 21, 22. I guess Sean sent people over, maybe. What's up, guys? What's up? Dang. Yeah, this is Sean's his famous His famous saying, how is everybody doing today? I want to see everybody's profits. So I traded. Where's my watch list? Y'all are awesome. Y'all are awesome. Sean, you're awesome, man. Thanks for all the support. Thanks for all the support, man. Thanks for letting me stream and then creating my own little community. Everybody here is a team. We're all trading together. Appreciate it, guys. So who? I'm also on TDA. How many trades do you take average in a day? Oh, that's for Ape Trades. How's everybody doing today? How did everybody do today? So I traded ALVR for $638. I missed the big moves, but I got a little bit of the pullback somewhere around here. I also traded LLAP. This one I only made $238, but I think I could have made a lot more. I missed a lot of these big moves. I missed this breakout here, a clean wedge pattern, bull flag. Why is my watch list disappearing every time I click somewhere? Why is it doing that? And I also missed that big trade, but I scalped a couple. Dude, whoever bought puts on Netflix ahead of time, they are banking. That stock just dropped $100 a share. Where's it at? I know I have it on my watch list somewhere. Ain't it still dropping? Who's printing money? Did anybody buy puts on this thing before this, or even at market open? You'd be up a lot. Poor Netflix, dude. It's the same thing that happened to Blockbuster. Everybody's saying this the same thing is gonna happen to them. They're gonna go completely out. CRXT came back, so if we get a hold of this level 210, we might get that pre-market high break, so 228. I might even do it right here, so watch. I'm watching 220 and hold 220. Get a dip entry. I'm red on this ticker. It's my only red stock, and it was my last trade. I said I was done after this one, but I'm still looking. Someone made 70K in debt group and others banked. Are you serious? That is crazy. That's what people make in a year, and you made it overnight. Or not you, but somebody did. That's crazy. I don't have like the guts to put so much money into option plays like that, but I think Netflix was a no-brainer. I completely didn't know that it was earnings for them. I don't really watch all that stuff. I only trade these little low cap stocks. I might get a dip entry here if we get a little bit more. Shorts are still taking control of this stock. I'm going to add there a little bit. Small share size. A lot of sellers, dude. A lot of sellers in this stock. $29K. That's crazy. I played safe. I don't take those huge YOLO plays, but if there was one I would have taken it, it would have definitely been this Netflix play. So here's a move. We're gonna get a break here. Take half there, and still holding 1,000 shares. Take another half there. 500 shares left. I'm gonna put a stop loss on these. I might get stopped out, but I'm expecting a break of 228. I'll move it up. So if I get stopped out, is at a profit, not a loss, and that will put me back green on this ticker, which I now have to go back and enter. What? Take me out, dude. Okay, it took me. What? It didn't take me out. Okay, whatever. So, everybody's here. I do this most of the times, or probably most of the times a lot. So I go back and show you guys. That will be my last trade of the day. So I'll go and export. I'll replace it. Go into my trader view. That's where I track everything. Go into trader view, import trades. So you'll see right here. I'll browse, select that same file that I just replaced, upload it, and you can see that on the day I am up. That's not it. $893. So there you go. And for real, I gotta stop trading now because I'm gonna start getting profits back. So This is gonna get a break possibly, but I'm done with that. ALVR, hello, 141 ALVR long in at 736, got out at 795. You took that trade on ALVR. Let's see, 736. 736 and out at 730, 790. Okay, so you took. Okay, that's exactly a trade I would take. How often am I going live? I go live. Right now, I'm going live 4 out of 5 days a week, but obviously my plan is to do it full time. Just taking my time, trying to grow, make a team together. We can all trade, so I'm not even charging. I do this all for free, but my goal is to do it 5 times a week. So I saw your trade. Whoever commented, changes will come 24. Changes will 24, 736 to 1195. That's exactly a trade I will tell you. You got pre-market, strong volume, big breakout. I missed that trade somehow, so I didn't take it, but good job on that one. I'm sure you made, I don't know how many shares you took, but it don't matter. You were green on it, and that's what matters. You're getting the break of CRXT. So who's asking me? BJ. BJ, I traded ALVR. You can see right there on the top right, I took a $638 win. Bro, why does this keep happening? This doesn't do this. $638 win. There's a break on CRXT for everybody that was watching it. I just left it alone. I didn't want to give profits back. I traded ALVR for $638. I traded LLAP for $238. This one, I missed this move right here. Frig, that's not the one I wanted. Is that not the circle one? Oh, I have to click it. I missed that move there, and I missed all of that. So I think I got a dip entry somewhere around here on this one, and I think that's the only time I traded it. But I missed both of those big moves. So $238, but for a stock that moved up $3. Oh my gosh, look at CRXT. That's what I just missed. I was watching the 228 break and squeeze, so there you go. Hey, there you go, Ali Concha. I don't know if that's supposed to sound like a C or not. Ha. Did you take that trade, man? I knew that shorts were heavy on the stock all around 220, which was right here. Exactly right there. And break of there to all-time highs, they're going to get squeezed out and click the buy button to cover panicking because we're all taking control. How did everybody else do today? I want to know how y'all did. You said the name right first time. Oh, no, I didn't get in. I am sitting right now. Ali Concha. Yeah. Are you done trading for the day, or are you just kind of watching today? And nothing wrong with not taking trades. Usually I take a trade at least in the first 10 minutes, and today I didn't take my first trade until literally like almost closer to 9 within 30 minutes open of the market open, because I know we're all probably different time frames. But there's CRXT Wad Boy. I don't know if you're still in here. Did you take CRXT trade at all? I think we were both watching it. The shorts were heavy, so once you get that clean, they all panic and spam the buy button like this. Look at this. So I mean I missed that trade, but oh well. Any other questions, guys? There's a couple of you that obviously came from Shants, and I really appreciate it. No, just watching it, it passed by me. Yeah, it passed by me too. Any questions you got for me? If you made money and lost money, I want to see how everybody's doing. Just watching, I was red 200 now, green 100, so just waiting for a better form of stocks. Cool. And if you're done for the day and keep your $100 profit, then go ahead and take that off the table and go do something else. Take your money and run. That's what I'm doing. I saw this trade. I called this trade. I knew it would have a break right there. And I'm already up $900 on the day, so there's no need for me to risk losing half of that, all of that for an extra $100, $200. So I went ahead and called it there. So there's that. And as far as that, I mean, I don't see anything else. My momentum scanner is free for you guys. Obviously, you can see it right above my camera. I mean, some of the ones it's picking up on there is LLAP, CRXT, which is the one that we're looking at. Obviously, it's going to show up on my momentum scanner because it's picking up volume and breaking highs. So there's that. But other than that, it looks pretty dry. So I am going to call it there for the day and not trade anymore. So unless you see a setup, don't force trades. Even if you're red, don't increase your red day. How is y'all's future going out? Hey, Ape Trades and Dappered, how are y'all doing on that 60 4460 bounce of the futures? Fingers crossed. Good job there, calling it for the day. Good, smart idea. I called it. Yeah, you really did. So good bounce there. I don't trade futures, but a couple of the people in the chat were calling some trades, so I checked it out for a little bit. They were calling it dips, which I don't usually go for dips. My strategy is momentum, breakouts, high of day, high of pre-market, stuff like that. But they did call those dips on futures ES Mini, and they were right. So I'm sure they got a little bit of money there, or a lot of money. I don't know how much y'all are trading, but good job there. They called it right there. And I was the opposite. I would have gone in short, and I called it in short. I was like, I would take a short here and break down flush, but it didn't. So I would have taken a loss. Thoughts on LLAP about short again? LLAP. Um, so let's see. I would watch this stock go sideways for the rest of the day. I don't think this is a stock that is going to flush, especially because you got this right here. So you might get down to this area or even where you're at right now at this level of 5.97, which is the $6. So I would probably say a little bit sideways before we go crack all the way down. I don't think this will be a stock that flushes. And it also has, it's a kind of an IPO. Oh no, it's not an IPO. Never mind. I don't know why I was seeing on my chart. Oh, maybe is it? So it's already beaten down. It went down to $3 and now it's squeezing back up. So I think a lot of shorts were taken out today, and I don't think those people are entering back down here. If these people got squeezed out there, squeezed out there, squeezed out here, they're not entering for a loss and re-adding lower. If you get what I'm saying, right? You watch ES every day, all day. Nice. Do you trade with ticks or time charts? Oh, you're asking him. And for everybody else here that's coming over from Sean stream, I don't know if he got off or he just said go ahead and peek in his. I thank you, appreciate it. I only trade about an hour a day, an hour, 2 hours at the most. Usually it's an hour and a half that I trade. Wait, 8:30 to yeah. So usually around this time I end up getting off. I don't take any trades for the rest of the day. I don't come back and take any more trades at the power hour. Sometimes if I have time, but I usually don't. Um, I only trade about 8:30 to 9:40, 9:50, and go ahead and log off. So if you got any questions, go ahead and ask me real quick. I'm probably gonna get off here in 5 minutes. I really appreciate you all you guys coming over from Sean. I'm not gonna take his people, so I'm not gonna say go ahead and follow me on stuff. But thank you guys for being here, for supporting. Will you be here tomorrow? Yes, I will be here tomorrow. I'll be streaming. My time is central, so my market opens at 8:30. But I am on 15 minutes before. I'm on 15 minutes before, and I'll start looking at the gap scanners um, with you guys. I mean, I'll just do it on my own, but you can just watch me. can you please go over your trade why you took it on which one? I can do it real quick. Yeah, which one do you want me to go? Or all of them? Hold on. Are you talking to me, BJ, real quick, to go over the trades I took today, or are you talking to Dapper on those? You missed the show. I'll be back tomorrow. I'll be here. So, my first trade. Oh, there's a way I can show my trades. Let me see. Show trades. Apply. Okay. It didn't work. Why is it not working? I promise I'm not scamming. I took trades. I definitely took these trades. What the heck? Let me do it on my side chart, see if it does it over here. It won't show my trades. Anybody know I think Thinkorswim is not showing my trades? So on this one I took I missed the big moves, but I got in on the micro pullbacks. So I think I missed this big move here, but I think I got the micro pullback here and ripped it here, started taking halves, got out there. And I want to say the next one was probably this break here, and this micro pullback took profits there. So those were two. All my trades are very similar. I don't know if you were just here for CRXT. I got in. This one I do remember exactly was this candle right there. And then my other trade was this break right here, so I got in right there and took money there. I did take a loss on this one first right there. So, oh, I can't even see that. So I got in there, I stopped out, I went red on that trade, and then I got it back here to there, and then made a little bit there. Why I took those trades, break of here, which is a strong resistance on the day, and then the one up here was a pre-market setup, high of day, which was a 228 right there, as you can see it. That's why I took that trade. And then my other trade was on LLAP. This one, yeah, I made money. Oh, this one showed it. So there it is. I took a trade there on that micro pullback and got in at the top. So about 10 cents. So got in at almost at the bottom of this candle and pulled out almost halfway up. And that was my only trade. I missed the full move. Let's see if it shows it now. Oh, it only shows it for one. That's weird. So, alright guys, so I think I am going to get off. I will be back tomorrow if you want to go ahead and catch some more live trading for you guys. And I'll be here Friday as well. So I have Central Time. My market opens at 8:30. I'll be on about 8:15. Is where I'm going to start looking at the gappers and talk about which ones I like, which ones I don't. And same as today, I'll stream until about 9:50ish is when I get off. And I do this every day. So, well, four times a week for now, but I hopefully get it to 5 days a week. So, guys, I know there's a lot of you guys on here, but I have to get off. I have to go do some stuff. So, thank you all for being here. I will see you guys tomorrow. If you're here, thanks one. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for going over with trades. Of course, man, if you ever got any questions, go ahead and ask them during my stream. My account's small, so I only trade the MNQ for now, okay? Yeah, so if you got any questions, I mean, I'll be here tomorrow. I know I have some of my links attached to the Tradecaster, so you can see my Discord on there. You can see my Instagram. Check out my TikTok. I upload a lot of videos there. I haven't got a chance to make one. I even forgot to click record today, so there's that. But I am gonna go ahead and get off, guys. Thank you all for coming over from Sean. I know he didn't force you guys, so you came here because you wanted to check it out. Appreciate you guys. And y'all have a good day. If you made some money, go ahead and take it off the table and go do something else. Distract yourself a little bit. If you're red, don't increase your loss. Your best setup is probably not going to happen today. It's probably going to be tomorrow. So no need to increase your loss. You'll have plenty more time to trade. That's what I tell myself, and that's how I keep those small losses sometimes. and keep my profits too. That's important. So thank you all guys for being here. I'm gonna go ahead and head out and enjoy the rest of my day. I need to stand up too because my back is killing me. I said that since like 8:15 this morning because I was driving so long yesterday and it hurts. So heading out. I think y'all guys can still chat on my thing even if I go if I stop streaming. So if you want to go ahead keep chatting, go ahead. But see you guys. Thanks for being here.